Oh yeah, welcome to DocWob TV. As you can see behind me, Tomasin bike's all built, but there is some footage from the factory when I went there, picked the stuff up, did some interviews. Just forgive the camera quality, that was me. I'm not a cameraman, Danny's the boy for that. So he's going to make the best of a bad job, I'm sure. So that thing, we're over the moon with it. The thing's off the scale trick. There's some stuff at the factory which we weren't allowed to film because it's where they build all the HRC engines and all the cranks. So none of that stuff, whether it's blurred out or whether it's just not being used, I don't know, I haven't seen the film. But it's there's a lot we couldn't film. Just goes to show how trick the stuff is. And, you know, when you see the crank in this, it's just HRC crank. I've seen a few HRC cranks, and trust me, that's what's in there. And like he says, you only need a balance shaft if the crank's not balanced. So there you go. So it's a lovely thing. Hopefully the camera don't shake too much and doesn't make you seasick. Hiya, welcome to DocWob TV. This is a really special one. We're in Italy. Fuck knows where, about 40 minutes from the airport. That's all I know. I've got sat nav now. With Enrico Tomasin, we're going to start doing something with the 500s he makes. They are off the charts fucking trick. They are cool as. So we thought we'd come down to Italy, we'll have a little look. I'm going to stick one in my luggage, bring it home. We're going to build it at home. So that's the next video. So here we are looking around. The stuff here is off the charts. So let me show you. So the cool thing about these is you can build a 500 two-stroke out of a modern four-stroke without any cutting, welding. You're not using any 20, 30-year-old old CR 500 parts. This is all new shit. And it can be put back to a 450 if you, why would you want it? You know what I mean? So Enrico's here to show us. We've got the KTM and the Honda set up right now in front of us. The 27 Honda's going to be quite a little bit different, I believe. So show us what they do. It's all billet cases. But what's really freaky, which I don't understand, it's beyond my pay grade, is they use the standard, like CDI, well not CDI, but the stator electrics and all that. This thing's a fuel injected electric start two-stroke. Trust me. I wouldn't be it if it wasn't cool. This thing's the box. So, yes, talk me through.
Okay, thank you, Rob. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for trust us. So we are just showing what we do. You know, we started the project in 2023. We make engine, the 500 engine in CRF 450 engine. So we build up completely the cases from billet from full. We cast the cylinder, we make the crank, we make all things we need for don't have forever a real plug and play engine into the frame. This one is like Rob say, it's electric start, so very important thing for the 500 because when you kick with the knee, with the kickstart 1500, it's always difficult to start. This one is very easy, just push the button and the bike start. And it's fuel injected, so with fuel injection you can adapt it by himself. You can also using all the parts from the stock, like gearbox, primary gear, the outlet cases, so it's plug and play everything. And the good things also in the handlebar, you can have 5 maps, you can have traction control, launch control. So you have a modern bike, but 500 two-stroke fuel injection and electric start. This is one of the good things. We make for Honda 21, 26. And we make for the Austrian bikes, KTM, Husqvarna and Gas. We make for SXF 450 and also for enduro bikes with the 6-speed. So very interesting.
Yeah, the Husqvarna does look really cool. The engine's tiny.
Yeah, very small. Very, very small.
Right, let's get it on the dyno.
Yeah. And shall we put us start the bike here?
Yes.
Two gears like because we,
it's not bolted down, I understand.
500 we need to low down to make, because this one is It's go out of the dyno easier.
Yeah, just press it, kid.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like that.
that's all we need to do. Cool. We need to look through these Yamaha parts you have.
Yeah. Ciao Pietro. Ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Bye bye.
So that's it for this one. I'm going to go back to the airport. Hopefully they're not going to bust me getting through with all that wet. But we'll figure it out. I've done a lot worse. I bought a whole RM125 home once from the States, but that was before September 11th. So, it's been mega to come down here, see what these guys do. It is off the charts trip. I mean, I wouldn't be involved if it wasn't, but these guys really do know their shit. So, we're going to crack on. There's a load of stuff we can't show you because that's the HRC stuff. So that's to be edited out, Danny, please. So that was it. That was a 23-hour day. We left the house at 1 in the morning, got back at midnight. It was a long day. But over the moon, the guys are cool. There's some really good stuff coming out of there. There's a few other deals which are behind these deals. So there's a load of Yamaha bits coming up, believe it or not, which is kind of cool. So there's all that stuff. Next episode, we'll show you the complete bike, fire it up. Take some of the plastics off, show you how it went together. It wasn't hard to build. It was just a bit daunting because it's a lot of money. But, you know, we're going to... If anybody wants to buy this thing, trust me, I'd love to sell it because I'm not going to ride it. We're not going to even ride it around the field. It's going to be... Because it's brand new. So it needs to be sold as a brand new thing. But if anybody wants to buy it and let us ride it and do a test on it, that'd be great. So like and subscribe, do all that stuff. And I'll see you next time.